guys, it's Gary here from Handyman Property Services. Just another quick product review that I can highly recommend. If you've got blockages in your sink or outside drain where the water just won't go down, try this product. It's called ZEP Liquid Heat Drain Unblocker. You can purchase this from Screwfix for around £12. Currently in the UK, this is March of 2024. And just follow the guidelines. This is a 1 litre bottle. You should pour half of the bottle, so 500 millilitres, into the sink, even if it's got water in the sink because it's blocked. Just pour it in and leave it. It's best to do it overnight. Leave it for a good 5 to 6 hours. And then rinse through in the morning when you get up and it's unblocked it, and then rinse it through with hot water. If it's just slightly still blocked, just repeat again with the remaining half of the bottle. Just be careful with this product. Follow the guidelines that are on the back. Difficult to see in this light, but this product can burn if it gets onto skin, so wear gloves. And just be really careful and just pour it in really gently so it doesn't splash. But this product is like an industrial strength. It's far better than the products that you get in supermarkets. So always just spend a few extra little pounds and get the proper stuff. It's safe to use with plastic pipes, and it's safe also to use on septic systems. And give this a go before you consider calling anybody out for expensive charges to unblock your pipes. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.